Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today we have 3 practical automation stories. Brightpick and Trew are teaming up on robotic fulfillment. Hirebotics is taking a certified painting cobot into hazardous finishing work. And CMES Robotics FANUC and PAC Machinery are connecting robotic picking directly to automated bagging. First, Brightpick and Trew. Robotics 24/7 reported on June 29th that Trew is adding Brightpick's robotic fulfillment technology into its automation ecosystem. Trew brings warehouse execution software, sortation, conveyors, controls, integration, and support. Brightpick brings mobile manipulation through Gridpicker and Autopicker. Gridpicker is a high-density storage and retrieval system using AI-powered mobile manipulators. Autopicker is Brightpick's mobile robot that picks items directly at storage locations, then moves through fulfillment workflows without forcing every customer into a fixed goods-to-person layout. For e-commerce, retail, third-party logistics and distribution centres, the signal is flexibility. Robots, software and material handling are becoming one deployment stack. Second, Hirebotics and FANUC are taking collaborative robots into the paint booth. At Automate 2026, Hirebotics launched the Beacon Cobot Painter, built on FANUC CRX-10iA paint hardware and Hirebotics no-code Beacon platform. Hirebotics says the system is available now for liquid paint, powder coating and gel coating. The point is not just another robot arm. Painting is repetitive, messy, hazardous and hard to staff, but high-mix shops often cannot justify a dedicated paint line. A portable, explosion-proof cobot taught from a phone or tablet makes the booth a much easier automation target. Third, CMES Robotics, FANUC and PAC Machinery are attacking the gap between picking and packaging. Their integrated robotic bagging system combines CMES AI Vision, a FANUC collaborative robot, and PAC Machinery's Rollbag R3200XL bagger. The cell recognises varied items, grips them, places them into the bagger and moves the order into packaging. That matters because warehouse automation still has too many islands. Picking alone helps. Bagging alone helps. Connecting vision, robotic handling and flexible packaging is where throughput and labour savings become easier to measure. The theme today is integration. The robotics winners are not just building better arms or smarter mobile bases. They are making robots easier to deploy inside real operations with fewer specialists, fewer custom cells and more complete workflows. That's today's RoboBrief. For more robotics headlines, visit robobrief.tech and subscribe for the next briefing.